Hello kids, welcome to my Kids on TV. Today we will watch Peppa Pig and the Whirling Windy Day.
This morning the wind was blowing extra strong. The windows rattled and the trees outside were dancing like never before. Peppa put on her warmest hat and her long red coat. She was ready for a big, blustery day of fun outside. Outside, Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig, and little George were already bundled up. Everyone was excited to play in the whirling wind. But just as Peppa ran forward, whoosh! Her hat flew right off her head. "My hat!" she squealed. The wind carried the hat across the field and high up into a tall tree. "Oh no!" Peppa gasped. "It stuck!" Just then, Suzy Sheep and Rebecca Rabbit came bouncing over. "Need help?" They grinned, carrying a ladder and a rope. Carefully, Rebecca climbed up and reached for the hat. She handed it down, and Peppa popped it back on with a big smile. "Thank you," she beamed. Now it was time for fun. Everyone twirled their ribbons, danced with the leaves, and flew colorful kites in the air. Suddenly, whoosh! A huge gust of wind came whooshing through. Their hair flew up, scarves twisted, and everyone burst into giggles. Later, they all sat under a swaying tree for a windy little picnic. Sandwiches, juice boxes, and lots of laughter made the perfect snack time. As the sun began to set, the wind finally started to calm down. "What a fun, windy day," said Peppa, smiling up at the sky. Peppa learned something special. With friends by your side, even the windiest day can be full of adventure.
Like, share and subscribe my Kids on TV.